Hi friends, I have an awesome craft for you this week. Our Bible story is about Solomon and it is out of 1 Kings chapter 3. And there's a really neat, cute little craft that you can do to help you remember the story. So all you'll need is some different color construction paper, markers, glue stick, and scissors. Now, on a lighter colored piece of construction paper, it can be any color you like. I wrote, Solomon asked for wisdom, but received so much more. 1 Kings chapter 3. So that's our Bible verse. And if you remember from our story, all King Solomon asked for was wisdom. So I'm going to cut out kind of a rock or cloud shape. For this one, I have some gold, yellow. Can really be any color you want. And you want to make it a pretty good size. It can be an oval. I'm just doing these kind of squiggly rock or cloud shapes. So that's my first piece. And you can decorate it however you like, but the important thing to write on it is wisdom, because that is all he asked for, remember? So I'm going to write wisdom on there. I'm going to decorate my edges. Now again, you can color this in however you like, or you can leave it simple. Okay, so I've got my wisdom because that's what he asked for. But if you remember from the story, he got so much more than that. So on 3 other colors of paper, and you just need little scraps. Remember from our story, he also got riches. And he got honor, and he was also blessed with a long life because his heart was pure and God rewarded him. So I went ahead and cut these out. You're just going to cut them out in smaller squiggles, little shapes, cloud shapes. That's what I'm going to call them. And you're going to glue on the long life first. We're going to make kind of a pop-up. And I'm going to put that on my page. And then the next one you're going to put on there is honor. And I just made a little fold so that I have something to put some glue on. And I can stick it down pretty much right over long life. So do you see how I can now flip that up? And then I'm going to put riches. Right on top of those. Then I'm going to put a little fold in my wisdom so I can glue that one on top. And this is what it will look like when you're all done. And you remember, he just asked for wisdom, but because he followed God and his heart was pure, God also blessed him with riches and honor and a long life. So I hope that you join me in making this so you have a nice project to remind you that God is faithful and God can give us wisdom. Remember, that's our big idea, is that wisdom comes from God. Thank you so much for joining me, and remember, you are a blessing.